Alright, this is the video reassessment for the Kinematics standard. And what we have is a ball being thrown from a 30-meter high building. The ball has been thrown with initial velocity of 12 meters per second. And we want to find the velocity, the final velocity right before it hits the ground and how long it takes for the ball to hit the ground. So using Newton's second law, we find the acceleration is equal to the force of gravity in the negative direction. And using this kinematics equation, we take the final velocity squared equals the initial velocity squared plus 2 times the acceleration times the height. So you get final velocity squared equals 12 meters per second squared plus, 12 meters per second, the whole thing squared, plus 2 times 9.8 meters per second squared times 30 meters, which is the height. And you crunch those numbers together and you get the final velocity being 27.05 meters per second. And to find the time, you use this kinematics equation, which is the final velocity is equal to the initial velocity plus acceleration times time. So you plug in the final velocity, which we just solved for, which is 27.05 meters per second, equal to 12 meters per second plus 9.8 times time. So you move the equation around and solve for t, and you get t is equal to 1.54 seconds.